And today I want to talk about the gear and sprocket. This is one of the most common problems with a garage door opener not working. Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors, and today I want to talk about the gear and sprocket. This is one of the most common problems with a garage door opener not working. You see the gears right here. So this moves around when the door is moving, okay? And so does this. This is where the chain, typically a chain would be attached to this particular one, but they have ones where a belt is attached, okay? So over the time, these gears will start to strip. The white powder will fall down onto the cover of the door, and when it finally breaks, what you will hear, you'll hear the door as if it is actually working. This will still keep rotating, and you're gonna hear that noise, but nothing will move. And as soon as you take that cover off, you're gonna see all that powder, and this piece right here is really the one that needs to get replaced 95% of the time. Once in a while, this piece will break off, but it's usually right here. And this is your most common problem with your garage door opener. Another thing is, if your garage door is too heavy, you're gonna go through these gears much faster than if your door is balanced properly. But this is your your gear and sprocket, and this is your number 2 garage door repair.